Hi everyone, so in this video, this tutorial is going to be about how to add categories, tags, and metadata on your stories. So I just have an example story here and I'll show you on here. First, if you look, it should appear up over here on the right side. Every time you're going to be setting these, it'll be here on the right. If for some reason this BYODO scroll with the categories, tags, and metadata doesn't appear on there, then you're going to want to come over here, and that will mean that this box hasn't been clicked. And so as you can see here, it's not there, which means you just need to go in, edit, and just click this box. And then all of that will fit into there. And so the first thing you're going to do is you'll click on, I'll show you here, under categories, you'll click on edit, and then whichever section you're in, whatever the section the story is for, you'll put it under there. So if it's a breaking news piece, you'll put it under news, but if it's not, if it's just for something that you are writing in your section, you'll just click on that part of it. So I'll just do projects. And then the next part of it, oh, and another side thing, I know that for the projects sections, projects doesn't always show up on our website. So if you are putting a projects piece in there, do news and projects. The next part is tags. So tags, what those are, they are just when people Google search these words or search it on our website, that's where the tags and metadata is going to kind of lead them. So this story, as you can see, the slug here is scroll is the best news. And so I might put scroll here. And you kind of have to let it load for a second. And then just click on it. BYU, Idaho. And then click on it. It takes a second to load. And sometimes a button or a box will appear saying you can't add that tag. Just re-add that if that does happen. And you'll probably want to add 5 to 10 tags for every story. Just do it based on the contents that you're talking about. So like I talked about in this one, scroll's the best news, I put BYU Idaho. I put scroll, I'd probably put news and just anything else that I'm going to be talking about in my article. So if someone were to search these words, this story would come up. Metadata is basically the same thing. You will just put the same things in there. You don't have to wait for them to load though, so you can just kind of type those in with commas in between there. And then on here, you're just going to click save, and that will pop up in there. We would like it if everyone could do their categories, tags, and metadata before they submit it, so that we don't have to do that or send it back or anything like that. But if you do forget, you don't have to reclaim it. After I submit it here, I can still edit the tags and metadata on the side. So that's really nice. So yeah, just to recap, you want to do categories, tags, and metadata for every assignment that you're going to be doing. Teach your students about that as well, just so everyone knows to do that. And yeah, and if it's not showing up there, remember that you can click on the submission and click on the blue box there. But yeah, that should be all for tags and metadata.